Generally, when you're swinging wet flies, you want to work downstream. Just makes it easier. You cover new water each cast. Most of the time, we like to fish upstream. Fish dry fly, fish nymphs, we're fishing upstream. We like to work upstream. But when swinging wet flies, you want to get up to the head of the run or the riffle or whatever, and then work down through it because you're going in that direction. When you're fishing downstream like this, you're going to miss a lot of fish, especially little fish. They're going to slap at the fly. Oh, bump. Little bump. And because you're directly upstream, you may not hook them. So don't worry if you don't hook every fish. In fact, you won't. You'll get little bumps, you'll get taps, you'll see a swirl. You'll eventually hook them, but don't wig out if you don't hook every fish that takes your flies. Oh, there's one. Whoa! Now that fish took the flies as soon as I hit the water, hadn't even started their swing. Oh, it looks like a brown too. Nice. I'm just going to lead that fish. His head comes up. He's ready to net. That was a lucky grab. He took the bigger one right on his tongue. There we go. And away he goes. I knew that would work.